Here is a matching type question on general organic chemistry. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The molecule shown is N7C2 is equal to O1 CH2 C3H3. This is a compound with a nitrile group, N7, a carbonyl group on C2, C2 is equal to O1, a methylene group, CH2, and a methylite carbon C3 bonded to 3 hydrogens. Moving on to the next step. Determine hybridization based on bonding and geometry. N nitrogen is part of a triple bond, N7. Atoms involved in triple bonds use sp hybridization. N has one triple bond and one lone pair in sp orbital sp hybridase. 2C1 carbon 1 is involved in a triple bond with N7, and a single bond with C2. 2 regions of electron density, triple bond counts as 1 sp hybridase. 3C2 carbon 2 is bonded to C1, single bond, O1, double bond, and CH2, single bond. 3 regions of electron density sp2 hybridase. 4. O1 oxygen is double bonded to C2, carbonyl oxygen. A carbonyl oxygen has 2 lone pairs and 1 double bond. The double bond involves 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. The oxygen has 3 regions of electron density, 1 double bond plus 2 lone pairs, but in practice carbonyl oxygen is considered sp2 hybridized because it participates in conjugation resonance with the pi system of the C is equal to O bond. CH2, the methylene carbon is bonded to C to C3 and to H atoms. 4 single bonds, 4 regions of electron density sp3 hybridase. 6. C3, carbon 3 is bonded to CH2 and 3 H atoms, shown as H on C3. 4 single bonds sp3 hybridase. And for the final step. Why other options fail? Any assignment other than sp for atoms in triple bonds, sp2 for carbonyl carbon oxygen, and sp3 for saturated carbons would not match the observed geometry and bond angles. Therefore, the correct answer is ISP, 2sp, 3sp2, 4sp2, VsP3, 6sp3. Therefore, the correct matching is I matches sp, 2 matches sp, 3 matches sp2, 4 matches sp2, V matches sp3, 6 matches sp3.